Dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In last video lessons, we have seen some features of Harappan civilization. In that we have seen town planning and economy. Now in today's lesson, we will see the next feature, that is society. And also we will see the decline of Harappan civilization. So let's start.
Society. The Harappan society consisted of different groups of people: priests, rulers, traders, artisans, craftsmen, cultivators, and laborers. Dress and fashion. People wore cloths of wool and cotton. There were upper and lower garments. Both men and women kept long hair and wore jewelry such as necklaces, rings, bangles, etc. Different groups of people were there during Harappan civilization, like priests, rulers, artisans, cultivators, laborers, etc. They wore wool and cotton. They had long hair, women as well as men, and they wore jewelry like rings, bangles, necklaces, etc. Entertainment. Indoor board games played with dice were popular. The Harappans were fond of music and dancing. Outdoor activities such as hunting, fishing were also popular. Children played with terracotta toys which included dolls, wheeled carts, rattles, whistles and sliding monkeys. They played board games. They had also interest in dance and music. Hunting and fishing were also popular at that time. Children played with toys, wheeled carts, rattles, etc. Writing. The Harappans knew the art of writing. It was a pictographic script, but unfortunately it has not been deciphered so far. Mostly the seals are the specimen of the Harappan scripts. They also used pictographic form of writing like Egyptians. Now, religious practices. The inhabitants of the Indus region worshipped gods in the form of animals, trees, and human beings. The discovery of a large number of mother goddesses figures suggest that the Harappa people worshipped it as a deity. The most striking deity of the Harappan culture is the horned god on the seals. This seal is known as Pashupati seal. This god has 3 heads and horns. He is shown in a yogic posture, placing one foot on another. The Harappans worshipped gods in the form of animal, trees, and human beings. They worshipped horned gods on the seals. These gods surrounded by an elephant, tiger, and has a buffalo below his throne. At his feet appear 2 deer. This looks like the image of Lord Shiva. There is also evidence that indicates Linga worship. The peepal tree was held sacred and worshipped. The presence of amulets shows a belief in evil spirits. The Harappan people believed in life after death. They buried the dead with various items such as food, utensils, and ornaments. The Harappans worshipped Linga. They consider peepal trees sacred and worshipped. They also believed in evil spirit. They believed life after death. They buried dead bodies with various items like food, utensils, ornaments. Administration. There has been no exit information regarding the administration of the cities. They were probably governed by rich merchants and priests. Now, decline of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization came to an end around 1750 BC. Several theories have been put forward by scholars. Invasion of foreign people, especially the Aryans, is the most popular theory behind the destruction of the Harappan civilization. Some believe that natural causes, particularly the pressure of population over nature, led to the decline of this unique civilization. Natural calamities such as flood and earthquake were also considered an important cause of the decline of the civilization. Change in the course of river Indus, which might have caused either flood or made the land fertile. It is interesting to note that though the Harappan civilization declined, its culture survived in different forms in surrounding regions. Many theories have been put forward for the decline of Harappan civilization, where invasion of foreign people, natural causes, expansion of neighboring deserts, etc. Here we end the chapter, the Harappan civilization. In this chapter, we saw discovery, important sites, features and decline of Harappan civilization. Next week, we will start new chapter. Till then, goodbye, have a nice time, take good care of yourself. Thank you.